Hi, good morning. Hope you're okay. It is about 9:30 on Friday the 25th of February. I started this intro so many times. I thought I'd just nail it then, and then turns out my mitten was in the shop. So here we go again. Today I'm hiking the Fairfield Horseshoe in the Lake District. So I've parked up in Ambleside. I've just walked to Rydal, so I'm going to do the route. It's a circular route and I'm going to do it clockwise, finishing off back at the car park in Ambleside. It is about a 16-kilometre route and it takes in 8 wainwrights, the highest being Fairfield itself at just shy of 900 metres. I checked the mountain weather this morning and throughout the week. It's going to be a clear day, it's absolutely beautiful. It's going to be quite windy on the top and therefore feels like -6. So I've got plenty of layers with me and I might not do much talking to the camera if it is very windy. I do need to get a little microphone so you can hear me a bit better on the videos. I very nearly didn't come on a hike today, just being a bit overtired, but I'm so glad that I did. It's such a beautiful day and these views are 100 million% worth it. So I'm really excited to get going and hopefully this intro is half decent and I can actually use it. So I'm halfway up the ascent now. It's quite a steep ascent at the start and then it's relatively flat apart from obviously a little bit of up and down on the top, and I'm going to go all the way around there, finishing back over there. So I'm almost at the top, onto the ridge now, and the views are incredible. So this is Fairfield behind me, so this is the Horseshoe, and then there's also some mountains over there, all snow-capped, so absolutely stunning. Even if you didn't want to do the Horseshoe, if it was too much for you or you don't have enough time, even just if you're just in Ambleside, just coming up this ascent and just sitting here, it's absolutely stunning. And this is, I could go down now and I'd be happy. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful day. Very, very grateful to be here. Just heading up to the Great Rig now, which is the first wainwright that I'll tick off. You can see the valley down there, quite thick snow, but yeah, the ridge line. There's quite a few people about, which is more than I expected. The snow is really thick in parts, but I've not needed my crampons yet. It's not icy. It's actually really quite soft and fluffy, so it's quite easy to walk on. I just don't want to get any in my boots and then get a wet boot. I made it to Fairfield at the highest point on my walk, just shy of 900 metres, and the views are stunning. So I've done Hart Crag, now heading up towards Dove Crag. It's actually really quite warm. It's definitely not -6 like the forecast said it was going to be. There's hardly any wind, which, considering what we've had for the past sort of week with all these storms, is quite nice. There's so many people up here, considering it's a February day. But everyone's just so nice. This is what I like about hiking. Everyone just says hello to each other. Everyone's just friendly, willing to chat. Yeah, you get the odd grump, but you know, everyone's just so nice. Hi. Ooh. The snow's freeze deep here. I just had a quick bite to eat, some home-baked banana bread I did last night. It's definitely my favourite hiking food of choice. Just heading towards High Pike now, just past Dove Crag, that's where I stopped for a little break. And the really thick snow, I'm going to lose my feet into a puddle. Sea views of Windermere. And I've been talking to some people and they pointed out a few of the mountains, so I'm getting to know them a little bit more now. So the Langdales are over there, Scarfell's that way, Helvellyn's that way. They're all pretty much in the clouds, so I'm really lucky this side. I'm on on the straight back to Ambleside really. Friends. Hi. I'm going to be quick because my SD card keeps telling me I'm full. But yeah, I finished Fairfield Horseshoe. It's been an absolutely beautiful day. Couldn't have asked for better weather or conditions. I'm really glad I came out in the end because I really didn't want to this morning, but I'm really glad that I did. I really recommend the Fairfield Horseshoe. It's absolutely stunning. Take off some wainwrights whilst you're doing it. Yeah, if you try it, let me know. Thank you for watching.